It's Sunday. I'm at the Eco Garden Centre in Portarlington, and today I've got 5 hours to sell my handmade crafts. Let's see how it goes. Every market starts the same. Unpack everything, build a display, and try to make it look as good as possible. I'm doing a final check, see if everything is okay. Best to do it now before the rush begins. Lights are on, display is good, rotation is happening. Excellent. These are some of the pieces I've been working on this week. It's a 5-hour day. Markets can be unpredictable. Some days are brilliant, some are quiet. Let's see what happens. Well, welcome to my stall. Yeah, so I do leather crafting, pen making, I do 3D printing, laser cutting, jewellery making, glass edging. I do the whole lot. The pens you see, they're all handmade, that's 4 years worth of work, and the price ranges from €55 to the more expensive pens, that's €100. Isn't this?
What's called, that's the PLA, is it, yeah? That's the heaviest one? That's the, no.
The strongest
the
one?
Weight.
Weight, they're basically all the same weight.
All the same
Yeah,
weight?
the carbon fibre is the lightest one. Yeah, I would say basically the same.
Same weight.
Yeah. But the hard shell is WhatsApp. Yeah, so you can scan that and join the group. First few customers are always important. That sets the tone for today. So what I do is I do leather crafting.
Oh wow, look at them. Really?
Yes.
Oh, they're beautiful.
Yeah, I made those this week.
Show the point.
Yeah, you see the finish on that?
Yeah.
With a bit of use, that's going to turn that way.
Oh my god. I don't like the.
That's genuine leather.
I don't like it, but then Johan showed me that, and I was like, oh, I do like that. But it's from, by using it, it becomes
over time.
Yeah.
You see, I bought a brown leather one time, and it was too hard.
Yes.
You know, this is really soft.
Yeah.
They're beautiful.
Yeah.
Also stitchless, so it's using like a tongue and groove. So
Yeah.
it's not actually.
Yeah, let me open it. I'll show you. Look on the inside.
Oh, wow.
It's like a dovetail almost, interlinking.
amazing.
Yeah.
Wow.
Very handy, very nice.
Yeah, I
They're
think
very
they're gorgeous.
popular, yeah. And then you get people seeing your work for the first time. You put your coins in there and you close it up. And then eventually it becomes like a bubble. Okay.
I need one of them. Yes, because I don't have. I actually lost it.
Okay, excellent.
Oh, look, there you are.
Yeah, that's me busy in the workshop.
Handmade is own.
Yeah, an account I made as well. The whole setup. And if you look,
This.
yes, and look in front. There's a display as well.
Oh, wow.
Time to have a bit of coffee. We're about halfway through. It's been busy, but that's markets for you. How are you guys doing?
Good, thank you. The pens and stuff, isn't it?
Yes, welcome to my stall. Yeah, the pens you see, that's 4 years worth of work lying there. And they vary from €55 to the more expensive pens that are €100. Yeah, I have a music themed pen. Let me just find it. There it is. You can see the music notes.
On the piano.
Yeah, piano there, there's a drum kit and then the guitar neck.
Wow.
And doing markets like this isn't just about selling. It's about getting your name out there, meeting people and building something long term. Yeah, so if you scan the code, a request to join will come up and then I'll just approve it. And then like, here's a good example. That's yesterday's ad for today that I made. Mark.
Yeah, Mark. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, you just rejected me, didn't you?
Accept.
Very cool. I love fair play. This is a great setup.
Yeah, oh, thank you. Thank you.
You could be selling these.
Yeah, I should market them, hey?
Yeah. Thanks so much.
Cheers. Nice meeting you guys. That's the day done. Overall, I sold quite a bit and I met some great people and learned a lot. And that's what these markets are all about. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more behind the scenes of my craft business. And I'll see you in the next one.